Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Neat. In today's section I am going to discuss how to find coordination number and oxidation number of coordination compounds. This is from the chapter coordination compounds. This is a very good section to study. So before studying how to find coordination and oxidation number of coordination compounds, we can study some terms and tips so that we can easily approach the questions. So students, the first theme is ligands. The ligands are molecules which supply lone pair of electrons to the central metal atom. That is, the ligands are they may be cationic, anionic or neutral molecule which can supply lone pair of electrons to the metal atom present. Ligands are classified into two types, monodendate and polydentate ligands. The monodendate have only one donor side. The monodendate, that means mono one, dendate means tooth, one tooth. Monodendate means one tooth, that is they have one donor side. And this polydentate is again classified into bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate and hexadentate. The bidentate have two donor side, tridentate have three donor side, tetradentate have 4 donor site and hexadentate have 6 donor site. Now we can study the examples of this. We can study the examples of monodentate, bidentate and hexadentate because these are the most important to study. This is the examples for monodentate. This is the examples of bidentate and this is the example of hexadentate. Monodentate examples are Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. They are halogens. Then OH minus, Cn minus, NO3 minus, NO2 minus, CO, NH3 and H2O. Look this, these monodentate ligands have the charge -1 and these three CO, NH3 and H2O is neutral, that is they have no charge. Their charge is equal to 0. This is the example of bidentate ligands En and C2O4 2 minus. En is ethylene diamine. This is a neutral bidentate ligand, that is it has no charge. And C2O4 2 minus oxalato. This is oxalato, it has the charge -2. Now the example of hexadentate is EDTA4 minus. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate 4 minus. It has 6 donor site. It is hexadentate. It has 6 donor site and its charge is -4. So when we are going to find the coordination number, if there is monodentate ligand, we have to do like this. We have to do n into 1. The n is the number of ligand attached. So for monodentate it is n into 1, for bidentate n into 2 and for hexadentate n into 6. N is the number of ligand attached. So the first question is CONH3 6 times Cl3. We have to look the ligand in the coordination sphere. So the ligand in the coordination sphere here is NH3 6 times. NH3 is the ligand. So we have studied that NH3 is a monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. For monodentate ligand, what we have to do for finding coordination number monodentate ligand? N into 1. N is the number of ligand attached. So here the number of ligand attached is 6. So for finding coordination number in monodentate ligand it is n into 1. Here n is 6, that is coordination number is equal to n into 1, that is here n is equal to 6. 6 into 1 which is equal to 6. So 6 is the coordination number of the complex. Now we have to find the oxidation number. Oxidation number of cobalt. Look here, chlorine is the atom. Chlorine is the ion. 3 chlorine atoms are there with the charge -1. So here +3 will be here. here there will be plus 3. So we have to find the oxidation number of cobalt, that is X. NH3 is a neutral monodentate ligand. Look, NH3 is a neutral monodentate ligand. So X plus 0 is equal to plus 3, X is equal to plus 3. So X is equal to plus 3, that is cobalt. Cobalt is equal to plus 3. So the oxidation state of cobalt in this complex is plus 3. Now the next question is manganese EDTA C2O4 4 minus. EDTA is a hexadentate ligand and C2O4 is a bidentate ligand. So the coordination number is equal to 4. Hexadentate ligand, it is N into 6. Here the number of ligand is 1. So 1 into 6 plus C2O4 number of ligand is 1. And it is a bidentate ligand. So for bidentate ligand it is N into 2. So 1 into 2, which is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 8 is the coordination number of this complex. And now we can find the oxidation number. Look, the sum of this coordination compound is minus 4. So X, the charge of EDTA is X minus 4. C2O4 is minus 2, which is equal to minus 4. So X minus 6 is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2. So the oxidation state of manganese in this complex is plus 2. So the next question is chromium NH3 6 times Cl3. We have to look the ligand in the coordination sphere. It is NH3. NH3 is a monodentate ligand. So for monodentate ligand, how to find coordination number? Coordination number is equal to N into 1. That is the number of ligands is 6. 6 into 1, which is equal to 6. So 6 is the coordination number and the oxidation number is here 3Cl. So this will be plus 3. So chromium, we can put chromium as X, and the charge of NH3 is, it is a neutral molecule, so no charge, plus 0, which is equal to plus 3. So X is equal to plus 3. So the oxidation state of chromium is plus 3 in this complex. The last question is FeCO 5 times. It is a carbonyl complex. So the coordination number is CO is a monodentate ligand. So N into 1, which is equal to 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So the coordination number is 5 and the oxidation number is of X is, CO is a neutral molecule, that is it has no charge, that is X plus 0 is equal to no charge, so 0. So X is equal to 0. Fe have 0 oxidation state. So I hope you all like today's video. By studying this tips and terms, you can easily approach the questions. So you can easily approach the questions by this way. So hope you all like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.